एग्जीबिशन जहाँ पे आपको नवरात्रि, फेस्टिव, ज्वेलरी, होम डेकोर सबका कलेक्शन अंडर वन रूफ मिल जाए, then this is the exhibition where you have to come to because we have a total of 8 brands and यहाँ पे आपको we have one brand from Rajkot जहाँ पे आपको कॉट सेट्स मिल जाएंगे, festive, casual both. We have beautiful Banarasi collection. This brand is from Baroda. उनके पास प्योर नवरात्रि कलेक्शन है, बहुत सुंदर चनिया चोलीज में ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. We have beautiful jewelry options. Then we have brands for नवरात्रि as well. पूरा आपको जर्मन सिल्वर ज्वेलरी का कलेक्शन मिल जाएगा and some more नवरात्रि चनिया चोलीज के ऑप्शन. Total of 8 brands at Thirst Gallery for 2 days. Do visit. Check caption for all the details. और आप कलेक्शन देखने के लिए swipe left.
Hi, brand name is Karkhana. We have launched this. इसमें कलर ऑप्शन.
सबको काफी यूनिक कॉट सेट्स में ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे एंड एवरी कॉट सेट हैज ब्यूटीफुल डिटेलिंग ऑन इट. चेक दिस आउट. अमेजिंग.
We have festive also. This you can wear both the side.
ओके. ब्यूटीफुल.
Dev side પહેરી શકાશે.
So long कॉट सेट्स, शॉर्ट में भी ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. एवरीथिंग फॉर द फेस्टिव सीजन.
And we have
Wow, beautiful colors. So they have something for your casual wear as well. This is brand Karkhana. So festive, casual, both sorted, beautiful options.
Hi everyone, so this is PB Jewels by Bansri Shah. So today we have German silver fusion jewelry pieces, some statement jhumkas, some stone based jhumkas, some dual tone small earrings. We do have rings. We do have cloth jewelry as well, skin friendly. Then some for kids, some slick chokers, some chokers, some in golden, and kadas as well, and earrings.
Beautiful options. So they have everything in German silver, brass based jewelry, some traditional pieces for Navratri as well. Do come, this is brand
PB Jewels by Bansri Shah.
Hello Ahmedabad. My brand name is Rang. અમે વડોદરાથી છીએ. We come up with a Navratri collection.
beautiful
This is a
piece.
silk chaniya choli.
अजरक वाला.
Then we have something with the original Kutchi patches chaniya choli.
ओरिजिनल कच्छी पैच वर्क के साथ. Very pretty.
Again in Ajrak modal, something very different design.
अजरक मोडाल. The design is very pretty. Yes.
One more with our print and with the patch.
Print and patch. Very amazing combination.
And something like, again, if you want to see a simple, sober, still stunning
Yes, something elegant, simple. Check this out.
with Ajrak dupatta.
अजरक दुपट्टा.
We have some silk dresses.
सिल्क ड्रेसेस का कलेक्शन भी है उनके पास.
Yes.
This out. Beautiful. Red blouses as well. And lots of options in dupattas. This is brand Rang.
Hi, the brand is Am. We have Navratri wear chaniya cholis. It can be used for marriage purposes also. Different colors. Customization is also available. Different colors. We have in silk and cotton both chaniya cholis. We have separate dupattas also. Festive wear collection. Color customized થઈ જશે. And this is 30% off for today and tomorrow only.
Okay, 30% off for today and tomorrow on the festive wear collection.
Festive collection. Yes.
Kaftans. Something like this. Very pretty options for the festive
Yeah.
season.
All these are on flat 30% off. for
And
2
also
days
flat
only.
30% off for these 2 days only. The brand name is Ab.
Yes.
I am Parita from Satika. I have pure Banarasi Katan silk dupattas in different colors and motifs. These all are hand woven with really good quality of jari. So they all comes in really good length. So you can wear it with lehengas or you can wear it with kurtas as well. Colors can be customized in some of them. Then we do have bandage plus Banarasi for your Navratri needs. We have lot of options in this color option and different jals and motifs. You can see the daman, they all are different. Then we have some of them in Munga silk as well. In this also colors can be done. Then we have something in Chinia silk. Then we have something for your evening wear.
Okay, so the brand name is
Yeah.
Satika. This is brand Rivishka and they have got amazing options for home decor. And यहाँ पे आपको दिवाली के लिए अगर कुछ भी शॉप करना है then you can definitely come. यहाँ पे आपको तोरन्स मिल जाएगी बहुत सुंदर. Let me show you the detailings. Every तोरन is different, अलग अलग डिजाइन और काफी यूनिक पैटर्न्स में आपको मिल जाएगी. एंड ऑल्सो दे आर इनटू कस्टमाइजेशन, तो आप अपने हिसाब से अपना होम डेकोर कस्टमाइज करवा सकते हैं. देव रंगोलीज लाइक दीज, दिए में ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे अलग अलग टाइप के. शुभ लाभ में आपको काफी अच्छे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. लेट मी शो यू, चेक दिस आउट, ब्यूटीफुल. देन दे हैव हैंगिंग्स एज वेल. सो इफ यू वांट सम वॉल हैंगिंग्स, ऑप्शंस फॉर दैट. तोरन्स में उनके पास काफी सारा रेंज अवेलेबल है. ब्यूटीफुल. देन दे हैव ऑप्शंस लाइक दिस एज वेल. सो होम डेकोर के लिए सारी ही नीड्स यहाँ पे फुलफिल हो जाएंगे बिकॉज दिए है, रंगोली है, तोरन्स है, कलश, शुभ लाभ, everything. This is brand Rivishka.
Hello guys, our brand name is Rinaya and we have Navratri collection.
Navratri collection, something in white with golden detailing.
Apple green.
Apple green.
We have Chania also.
They've got chaniyas
In a different fabric.
in all different fabrics. Something in cotton.
And we have a printed collection also.
They have got printed collection as well.
પ્રિન્ટેડ માં કોટન માં જોઈએ તો કોટન માં બી છે,
Printed
માં જોઈએ તો
cotton.
પેર માં બી છે.
Okay.
હવે બેસ્ટ સેલર સાડી.
The best seller. Very pretty.
અગર પ્લેન માં લેયર વાળા જોઈએ તો એ બી છે.
Plain layered options.
70 મીટર લેયર.
70 meter घेर.
Spaghetti blouse.
Spaghetti blouse, very pretty.
This one.
So this is brand Rinaya.
Hi, this is Prachi Shah. We have pure silver jewelry. બધું 9 to 5 hallmark છે. Statement earrings છે. Gold plated is 18 carat gold plate. આપણું famous Buck collection છે. These are real diamonds look alike. તમે regular પહેરી શકશો. These are regular wears. અહીંયા neck pieces છે statement. And everything is 9 to 5 hallmarked.
So beautiful, pure silver jewelry collection.
These are ear cuffs. These are daily wear earrings. Anklets છે, pendants છે. These are kundan sticks. નવરાત્રીમાં બહુ જ સરસ લાગશે. બંને સિલ્વર ને ગોલ્ડ બંને છે, so you can combine with everything.
Beautiful. So brand name is
Prachi Shah.